In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Buy Now button on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll have a clear clickable buy option on your Facebook page so shoppers coming from Marketplace can take action right away. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. We'll be working in the mobile interface since that's where most Marketplace browsing happens. At the top right of the screen, tap the three lines to open the main menu. This menu is where you can access your pages and switch between your personal profile and any page you manage. Next, switch into the page you want to sell from. Tap the page listed in the switcher. When the switch interface appears, confirm by tapping switch. This ensures you're acting as the page, which is required to add or change the page's action button. If you don't see your page, double check that you're logged into the correct account and that you have admin or editor access. Once you've switched, look to the upper right and tap the page profile icon to view your page. Then tap the page name to open the full page view. You should now see your page header, tabs, and management options. If anything looks off, refresh the screen or update the Facebook app to make sure you're seeing the latest layout. On your page, tap the three dots to open the page options menu. From this menu, choose Add Action button. This is the call to action that appears prominently on your page and helps convert browsers into buyers. When the list of button types appears, tap Buy. Depending on your region and page setup, the Buy button may connect to a checkout flow, a shop, or direct people to contact you for purchase details. If the app asks for any additional info, follow the on-screen prompts, then finish by tapping Save. That's all it takes to add a buy option to your page. The button will display at the top of your page, making it easier for Marketplace visitors and page followers to act quickly. After saving, I recommend visiting your page as a visitor to confirm the button shows correctly and leads where you expect. If you ever need to adjust it, return to the three dots menu on your page, edit the action button, and update or replace it. Feature availability can vary by country and page category, so if you don't see Buy, try updating the app or checking your page's eligibility. You've successfully added a Buy Now button, giving your Marketplace buyers a clear next step. Happy selling.